TOEFL practice. Structure and written expression. Test B. Part 2. Structure and written expression. Directions. Questions 11 until 15 are incomplete sentences. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Example. During the early period of ocean navigation. Any need for sophisticated instruments and techniques. A. So that hardly. B. When there hardly was. C. Hardly was. D. There was hardly. The sentence should read: during the early period of ocean navigation, there was hardly any need for sophisticated instruments and techniques. Therefore, you should choose D. Number 11. The decimal numeral system is one of the ways of expressing numbers. A. Useful most worlds. B. World's most useful. C. Useful world's most. D. Most worlds useful. The correct answer is B. World's most useful. The decimal numeral system is one of the world's most useful ways of expressing numbers. Number 12. Emily Dickinson's garden was a place. Great inspiration for her poems. A. That she drew. B. By drawing her. C. From which she drew. D. Drawn from which. The correct answer is C. From which she drew. Emily Dickinson's garden was a place from which she drew great inspiration for her poems. Number 13. The mountains surrounding Los Angeles effectively shield the city from the hot, dry winds of the Mojave Desert. The circulation of air. A. But they also prevent. B. Also prevented by then. C. And also to prevent. D. And also preventing. The correct answer is A. But they also prevent. The mountains surrounding Los Angeles effectively shield the city from the hot, dry winds of the Mojave Desert, but they also prevent the circulation of air. Number 14. Not only to determine the depth of the ocean floor, but it is also used to locate oil. A. To use seismology. B. Is seismology used? C. Seismology is used. D. Using seismology. The correct answer is B. Is seismology used? Not only is seismology used to determine the depth of the ocean floor, but it is also used to locate oil. Number 15. Nebraska has floods in some years. A. In others drought. B. Droughts are others. C. While other droughts. D. Others in drought. The correct answer is A. In others drought. Nebraska has floods in some years, in others drought. Directions. In question 16 until 20, each sentence has 4 underlined words or phrases. Identify the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed in order for the sentence to be correct. Example. Guppies are sometimes called rainbow fish because of the male's bright colors. A. Call. B. Fish. C. Because of. D. Bright. The sentence should read: Guppies are sometimes called rainbow fish because of the male's bright colors. Therefore, you should choose A. Number 16. Pop art was a movement of the 1950s and 1960s whose imagery was based on readily recognized American products and people. A. A movement. B. Whom. C. Based on. D. People. The correct answer is B. Whom. Number 17. Because the tachinid fly is a parasite of harmful insects, much species have been imported into the United States to combat insect pests. A. Harmful. B. Much. C. Have been imported. D. To combat. The correct answer is B. Much. Number 18. Almost the electricity for industrial use comes from large generators driven by steam turbines. A. Almost. B. Industrial. C. Use. D. Driven by. The correct answer is A. Almost. Number 19. The Egyptians first discovered that drying fruit preserved it, made it sweeter, and improved its flavor. A. First. B. Drying. C. Sweeter. D. Improvement. The correct answer is D. Improvement. Number 20. During his 12-year there, Ellis Marsalis turned the New Orleans Center for the Creative Arts into a rich training place for future jazz stars. A. 12-year there. B. Turned. C. A rich. D. Stars. The correct answer is A. 12-year there. That's the end of our practice. Thanks for joining us today. Have a nice day and see you again in the next video.